Tonight with meteorologist Adam Joseph and Cecily Tynan, also David Henry on the beach in Atlantic City, and ABC's Lindsay Davis live for us in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. But let's start with you first, Adam. Good evening.
Good evening to you, Monica. Right now it's the calm before the storm, some clouds rolling in, but what's going to happen tomorrow, we have a tropical storm wind warning for basically the entire Delaware Valley from Philadelphia to the shore points. Winds will gust over 40 miles an hour, and you can prepare as of right now. How to prepare for this evening and secure your outdoor arbors like your trash cans, also your lawn furniture and the like. Also tonight, do not park underneath trees because with the winds and that heavy rain softening the ground, some of those trees and limbs could easily fall tomorrow. And also locate your batteries in water because of those strong winds. There is the possibility that anyone is fair game for some power outages during the day tomorrow. That's what you can do now. And speaking of the now, let's go inside to meteorologist Cecily Tynan. You have the very latest on Hannah right now.
That's right, I do, Adam. And Hannah is to the center, and then it will move away quickly. But more on what we can expect, let's head back outside to Adam. Adam?
Thanks, Cecily. And for the day tomorrow, the worst of the winds, the heaviest of the rain will be in the afternoon. And what to expect if you live in Philadelphia or inland locations for Saturday afternoon and evening, rain 2 to 5 inches. Of course, there's a flood watch because of that, and winds between 25 and 35 miles an hour sustained. That's constant, with gusts 45 miles and over. And if you're at the shore locations, the rainfall will be a little bit less, but the winds will be stronger, closer to the center of Hannah. Winds 40 to 50, gusting over 60 miles an hour, rain 2 to 3 inches, and wave heights anywhere between 6 and 10 feet. Now, I want to encourage you to go to 6abc.com because you can track Hannah 24 hours a day. You go to the middle console, you're going to click on the thing that says Hannah, and when you click on Hannah, a tracker will come up and you can follow her progress every step of the way, her strength, her speed, and where she's located. So anytime, go to 6abc.com for that. Rick, when we come back, we'll have much more on Hannah, and of course, your look ahead for Sunday, which will be a much, much better day.
All right. We'll talk to you again soon. Thank you, Adam. Now, ABC's Lindsay Davis is live. Back outside, meteorologist Adam Joseph, and the weekend forecast, and Sunday better than Saturday, huh, Adam?
Much. There'll be no comparison at all, Rick. Right now, beautiful on City Line Avenue and across the Delaware Valley. This is the time to get out and do those errands without getting soaked, because we have a tropical storm wind warning for the entire Delaware, especially during the day tomorrow. But right now we're warm, we're a little humid, the temperature at 86 degrees, the humidity at 41%. Your barometer is holding steady at 30.01, and winds right now out of the south at 13 miles an hour, gusting to near 20, but again, that's going to increase even here in the city. Let's take a look at the currents with Tropical Storm Hannah just below Hurricane 1. Expect to the rainfall rates 2 to 3 inches and wave heights anywhere between 6 and 10 feet. So AccuWeather saying for overnight tonight, the rain will arrive and also will turn a little more humid. Temperature 65 to 70 degrees. And as we look ahead with Mr. 6-4 the upcoming weekend, he is ready for the Phillies if you're heading up to the Mets for this degrees. We not only have Hannah, but we still have a major hurricane out in the Atlantic. That is Ike. Rick and Monica, meteorologist Cecily Tynan will have more on Ike coming up at 5:30.
All right. Thank you so much, Adam.
Thanks, Adam.
Much more action news coming your way. Stick around.
Lauren Wilson in Rehoboth Beach, David Henry in Atlantic City. We've also got meteorologist Cecily Tynan and Adam Joseph on the case. Adam, let's begin with you.
All right, Jim, in about 24 hours, we're going to see the heart of Tropical Storm Hannah push through our region, but we're going to feel the effects of her well before that. And that's why the National Weather Service has a tropical storm wind warning for the entire Delaware Valley, including Philadelphia, meaning winds will gust over 40 miles an hour throughout Saturday afternoon.
Fast-moving storm near the coast of Virginia by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then should be up near Boston by Sunday morning. It'll be out of here by Sunday morning. So for more on what to expect, let's head back outside to Adam. Adam?
Thanks, Cecily. And if you're going to be inland, including Philadelphia and the suburbs, this is what you can expect, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Rain between 2 and 5 inches, wind gusts over 45 miles an hour, and a flood watch has been posted for the entire area, including the Lehigh Valley. Shore points for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Winds 40 to 50 miles an hour, 24 hours a day over the next couple of days. Now, I want to step back inside, Jim. We'll have the full AccuWeather forecast, including Future Tracker 6, and I tell you, it has some very heavy rain pushing in. I'll show you that in just a little bit.
Thank you, Adam. Let's check in with Action News reporter David Henry, who's in Atlantic City. David, what kinds of...
Meteorologist Adam Joseph in for Dave Roberts tonight, and you are busy. You are keeping your eye on Hannah.
All weekend, yes, but the only good thing about Hannah is she's going to be a quick mover, so will only be here for basically one day this weekend. Storm Tracker 6, that ocean temperature has jumped to 77 degrees. Most of us right now are in the 80s, with the exception of the Poconos 79, and Dover right now coming in at 78 degrees. Tropical Storm Hannah just below a Category 1 hurricane by 4 miles an hour. So basically it's the same strength as a weak Category 1 hurricane, moving to the north at 20. There's the circulation heading towards Wilmington, North Carolina. That's basically where it will strike just after midnight tonight, with winds still around 70 miles an hour. Then pushes towards the Chesapeake Bay by tomorrow afternoon with winds of 60 miles an hour, and then follows the New Jersey and the Delaware coastline during the evening hours on Saturday, and by Sunday early morning after midnight already in Boston, so it will accelerate to the north and east. Future Tracker 6 showing some of the lighter rains possibly pushing into the I-95 corridor by 10 o'clock, then hit or miss rain during the overnight hours tonight, and by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, those are the bands that set up out ahead of Hannah. So notice there will be breaks during the early part of the day tomorrow. Then the heavy stuff comes in late in the afternoon, 3 o'clock, and then by 9 o'clock tomorrow night, a lot of colors, looks pretty, but not good news. This is very heavy rain pushing in from the south, and then it's quickly out of here after midnight on Saturday. So what to expect for Philadelphia and the suburbs: 2 to 5 inches of rain, winds gusting at times over 45 miles an hour, so there could be some power outages, trees down, limbs down, the such, with a flood watch in effect. And down at the shore, winds possibly gusting over 60 miles an hour at the times, with rainfall 2 to 3 inches, and with wave heights between 6 and 10 feet. Erosion could be a problem. Then there's Hurricane Ike, still a major Category 3 hurricane, wind sustained 115 miles an hour, about 855 miles from the Bahamas. That will affect the Bahamas later on this weekend and the first of next week. So AccuWeather saying for tonight the rain arrives, turns rather humid, 65 to 70 degrees, and the exclusive AccuWeather 5-day forecast is just a nasty day tomorrow, especially late in the afternoon and the overnight hours. 78 for a high. Sunny and breezy on Sunday, looking good for the Eagles game. We dry out fast. 86, stayed 86 on Monday, sunny and warm. And then sun and clouds on Tuesday. A cold front approaches, 84 degrees, and that will drop the temps and the humidity. Much better Wednesday with a high of 76. As we take a look beyond the 5-day forecast for Thursday and Friday, a mixture of sun and clouds with temperatures near normal, highs in the upper 70s. So we will have the very latest tonight at 11. And of course, you go to 6abc.com for the very latest.
Thank you. Joseph, Dave Roberts, and the entire Action News team. I'm Jim Gardner. We hope you'll join us on Action News at 11.